So in this video, you'll learn how to enable palm swipe to screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So this is a feature that simply allows you to swipe your palm across the screen of your tablet so that you can take a screenshot. So in order for you to enable it, start by opening the Settings app and then scroll and select the option Advanced Features. From here, tap on Motions and Gestures, and then you should see Palm Swipe to Capture. Tap on the toggle next to it to turn it on, and once it's enabled, you can now use the palm swipe gesture to take any screenshots on your tablet. So it doesn't really matter how you're swiping your palm. You can swipe it from the left to the middle, from the right to the middle, or from the left to the middle. And all you need to do is simply ensure that you're using your palm. And then once you've done that, just swipe your hand across the screen. And then you can see the screenshot has been captured. So again, you need to swipe it across the whole screen so that the screenshot can be captured. So again, just swipe it across the whole screen and the screenshot will be captured. Once it's been captured, you can tap on it to view the image, and there you have it. You successfully captured your screenshot with a palm swipe. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.